Hello my dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the trauma study, which is very important aspects of literary theory, and trauma theory, how it is interconnected with literary theory and criticism. We are going to explore all the aspects of the trauma theory. So how it has been immersed, how it has worked and influenced English literature. Today's topic is going to revolve about this topic. So first of all, I would like to tell you that trauma is our, as a human being, we have suffered a lot. We have experienced a lot of things: anguish, pain, happiness, and everything, a kind of torture and exploitation. So all things leads a certain kind of trauma and traumatic experience as well. So here we are going to open the layer of trauma, how it is influenced in human life, and what is the social context of the traumatic theory in literary criticism. So basically it is a part of our human experience earlier as well, but it got a significant attention with the Kathy Crutch's work Unclaimed Experience and Kelly Tales, The World of Hurt. Both are the writers, and their works explore the trauma in depth, and then we can say that it has been emerged in a right way in 1995. And so basically I would like to say that the trauma, it is not a pleasing experience, it is a certain kind of unpleasant experience of human lives. And what is the root causes of the trauma? First of all, social abuse, any kind of difficult situations you have come across in your life, and basically child abuse and molestation, sexual abuse, and discrimination at workplace, in your family, and domestic violence. There are lots of issues which can cause trauma or traumatic experience in an individual's life. So first of all, we need to understand the in-depth meaning and layer of the trauma, and it has some aspects like rhetorical and social context and semiotics. And if you want to understand the trauma and its impact in literary theory and criticism, so first of all we need to understand the psychoanalytical approach, which deals with the mind and thought and perceptions, consciousness and subconsciousness of a human mind, and biological context, social context, psychological context. All these experiences mingle together to get better perception of the trauma theory. And here I would like to share a very famous Canadian author, Margaret Atwood, who is a writer, critics as well, and some of her very influential work I would like to share here, like Handmaid's Tales, which has been published in 1985, Cat's Eyes, which has been published in 1988, and some very important work of Atwood is one very important work is The Robber Bride, which is also considered her masterpiece because of its plot entirely different from other plots, and this work has been published in 1995. So these are the certain points, and we can say that an overview about the trauma studies, and to understand it better we understand the person who has been experiencing some certain sort of unpleasing experience for long run, and therefore he has gone under depressions and other mental disorders, which can because of this a person cannot lead his or her life in a right way, in a common way, on the common ground. So these are the some important aspects of traumatic study as well as trauma theory in literary criticism, and it is very advanced topic right now, and the most of the psychiatrists and psychologists and other professors and researchers, scholars also taking it as a challenge and studied a lot, and lots of studies has been emerged in this particular field. So friends, I hope you will like this lesson, and it will definitely helpful to all of you to get better concept of the trauma theory. And I will come back soon with something new and interesting. Till then, you take care and bye bye. Thanks for watching.